Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can active or enable Adobe Flash Player for your Google Chrome browser. Now let me show you what is the problem, and then I will show you how we can fix this problem. So this problem will be shown in your Chrome browser if the Flash Player is disabled in your Chrome browser. And Flash Player is important to access our dynamic website. Now in order to check whether Adobe Flash Player is installed on your system or not, you just need to open a tab and type here Chrome and then colon and then forward slash. So just give 2 forward slash and then type components. So you need to type this link or URL here, chrome colon forward slash components. Now it will show you all components which are installed on your Chrome browser, and you will be able to see this Adobe Flash Player there also if it's installed, and if it's not installed you need to install it. Now if you don't see Adobe Flash Player in this list of components, then you need to just open the new tab and then go to this link. This link you will get in my video description box. So just open this link or click on this link and you'll get a download option here. Just download it and install it in your computer. It's very easy to download from here. Just click on download Flash Player and it will start download. I have already downloaded it and installed it in my computer, so I don't download it again. Once the Adobe Flash Player installed in your system, once again just go to this link or URL again, chrome colon forward slash components, and this time you will able to see Adobe Flash Player on your Chrome components. But still, if you show this problem, click to enable Adobe Flash Player. So in order to enable Adobe Flash Player on your Chrome browser, what you need to do, just you need to go to here, click those 3 dots here and then go to settings, then privacy and security, and scroll down and go to site settings, and here you will get this flash option. Open it, and here another option is block sites from running flash recommended. So disable it if it enabled. Hopefully your both of problem fixed with this trick. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.